Hello students, in today's video we are going to learn pronouns and their types with examples. So first of all, what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that replace nouns, जो noun के बदले यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे I, me, she, we, they, who, that, your, his, her, it, etc. अभी इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग अ नेम, किसी लड़की का नाम सीमा, रीमा, इफ़ आई से शी, हर, तो दिस इज़ द वर्ड विच इज़ यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ नाउन. सो दीज आर प्रोनाउंस. कि इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग बॉयज़ आई विल से दे, instead of saying names of children or something, so I will say they, them. So this is pronoun. Yeah, cycle, instead of saying cycle again and again, if I say it is, it has two wheels, so it is a word which is used in place of noun, that is cycle. So these words are pronouns. Words which are used in place of nouns, they are called pronouns. So let us learn in detail about types of pronouns. We have following types of pronouns: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, relative pronouns, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronouns. So we will learn these in detail. What exactly are these? Okay, as I told you, pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Type of pronoun, first one we are going to learn is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are he, she, it, they, we, you, I, me, us, him, her, it, them. Okay. For example, she is favorite of all teachers. The word she is a personal pronoun. All of them admire her. Them, her, these are what? Personal pronouns. तो आपको एग्जाम में अगर आया, सेंटेंस विल बी गिवन टू यू, यू विल बी आस्क्ड टू pick out pronouns and state its type. So you will write she, it is a personal pronoun. Them, it is a personal pronoun. Like this you have to write. Okay. Next type of pronouns which you are going to learn is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative, जैसे this, that, these, those, these are the words which demonstrate. So they are demonstrative pronouns. See, this is a large house. Those are beautiful flowers. This and those, they are demonstrative pronouns. This is used for singular thing which is closer to you. That is used for a thing which is away from you, again singular. But plural के लिए, if something is close to you, you will say these. अगर कोई चीज़ दूर है, something is far, then you will use those. This, that for singular, these, those for plural. तो दोनों में फ़र्क क्या है? This जो पास में चीज़ है उसके लिए, that जो दूर है. These जो पास में चीज़ है, those जो दूर है, like this. So these are the words which are demonstrative pronouns. Then third type we are going to learn is interrogative pronouns. As you have learned interrogative sentence, यानी question वाले, तो those question words what, who, which, whose, whom, these are what? Interrogative pronouns. Who brought these flowers? So who is interrogative pronoun. What do you need? What is interrogative pronoun. Okay. चलो, next type of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. As you see, the word says action is reflected. Myself, himself, herself, yourself, yourselves, ourselves. ये जैसे I hurt myself, तो जो action है reflect होके मुझ पे आती है, that is why it is called reflexive pronoun. You do it yourself, तो you के लिए yourself, I के लिए myself, he के लिए himself, she के लिए herself, you के लिए yourself, plural होगा तो yourselves, क्योंकि इंग्लिश में सिंगुलर के लिए भी योर बोलते हैं, प्लूरल के लिए भी योर बोलते हैं. तो सिंगुलर होगा तो योरसेल्फ, अगर प्लूरल होगा तो योरसेल्व्स. अस के लिए, वी के लिए आवरसेल्फ. तो व्हेन एक्शन इज रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन द पर्सन इटसेल्फ, नाउन इटसेल्फ, इट इज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. बट देन वी हैव एम्फेसाइजिंग प्रोनाउंस. अगेन वी हैव सेम वर्ड्स, माई सेल्फ, हिमसेल्फ, हरसेल्फ, योरसेल्फ, योरसेल्व्स, आवरसेल्व्स. These are called emphasizing pronouns also. When you will call, when emphasis यानी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस, महत्व दिया जाता है. You yourself choose this shirt, तो इसमें यहाँ पे क्या है? You को इम्पोर्टेंस दिया जा रहा है, ज़्यादा प्रेशर दिया जा रहा है, तो that is emphasis is given. This is called emphasis is given. So this becomes emphatic pronoun. शी हर सेल्फ कॉल्ड मी, उसने खुद ने कॉल किया, तो शी के लिए हर सेल्फ. बट हियर इफ़ यू सी एक्शन इज रिफ्लेक्टेड. आई हर्ट, रिफ्लेक्शन किसको आया, मुझे ही आया. यू डू, रिफ्लेक्शन किसको आया ऑफ एक्शन, इट इज़ प्रोनाउंस ओनली. बट हियर क्या है, एम्फेसिस इज गिवन, यू योर सेल्फ, शी हर सेल्फ, आई माई सेल्फ. तो यहाँ पे हो जाता है एम्फेसाइजिंग प्रोनाउंस. देन वी हैव पजेसिव प्रोनाउन. एज द नेम सजेस्ट, दे शो पोजेशन, कि माई मेरा है, तुम्हारा है, इसका है, उसका है. तो लाइक दिस इट शोज पोजेशन, तो दे आर कॉल्ड पजेसिव प्रोनाउन. दिस इज माइन, बैग इज योर्स, ये मेरी है, ये तुम्हारी है, तो पोजेशन इज शोन, दैट इज वाई दीज आर कॉल्ड possessive pronouns. Next type of pronoun which we are going to learn is relative pronoun. अभी जैसे who, which, whom, whose, that, ये इंट्रोगेटिव में भी आपने पढ़ा था. बट यहाँ पे क्या फ़र्क है, वहाँ पे वो क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. बट यहाँ पे क्या, मेन क्लॉज के साथ रिलेशन दिखाया जाता है. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज shows relation to the main clause using these words, so then it is called relative pronoun. We admire the man who does his duty sincerely. तो यहाँ पे वो relation दिखा रहा है किसके लिए, man, main clause. So this is relative pronoun. The medicine, कौन सी medicine, which the doctor had suggested proved effective. तो here it is showing relation with the main clause. So this is relative pronoun. These words are relative pronoun. But अगर question होता है तो it is interrogative pronoun. Okay, last pronoun which we are going to learn is indefinite pronouns. What are indefinite pronouns? जैसे फिक्स कोई अमाउंट नहीं है, all, many, someone, anyone, nobody, everyone, few, several, some, both, each. तो when कुछ फिक्स नहीं है, okay, तो this is called indefinite pronoun. Nothing is definite. जैसे all are invited to the party, someone met him on the way, कोई तो भी उसको मिला. तो these words are called indefinite pronouns. Okay, so I hope these pronouns are clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. And if you are looking for more videos, you can visit my YouTube channel Learn with BS for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.